In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one-click subscribe links on Beehiiv. If you're looking for a simple way to boost your subscription numbers and make it easier for people to sign up for your content, you've come to the right place. Let's get started by jumping right into the process, which is straightforward and quick. First, let's begin by opening up the Beehiiv dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so with your credentials and navigate to the main dashboard screen. This is your command center for all things Beehiiv and where we'll kick off creating those one-click subscribe links. Being familiar with your dashboard will help streamline the process, making it easier to locate the key features we'll be using today. Next, you'll want to click on the Subscribers section. This is where the magic truly begins. Accessing this feature is crucial as it lets you manage your subscribers and tailor your audience's experience. Keep a sharp eye out for the Subscribers button as you hover over the main navigation bar on your dashboard. With a simple click, you'll be right where you need to be. Once you're in the Subscribers section, direct your attention to the Magic Links tab. Magic Links are incredibly useful. They provide a seamless subscription experience, eliminating any hassles for your potential subscribers. By clicking this tab, you set yourself up to generate easy one-click links subscribers can use to sign up, bypassing the usual subscription forms. Now in the Magic Links section, look for the Platform option. This option allows you to select the platform where your subscribers typically interact with your content, enabling you to generate the most effective link for each context. It's all about reaching your audience on their preferred platform, making it as easy as possible for them to join your subscriber list. Once you're at the platform selection, it's time to choose one that aligns with your audience's habits. Whether it's through email, social media, or another platform, selecting the right one can make all the difference. A thoughtful choice here ensures that your subscribers can engage with your content in the most straightforward way possible. Finally, after selecting the platform, you'll see an option labeled Copy to Clipboard. By clicking this, you copy your newly created one-click subscribe link, which you can then paste and share wherever you see fit. Be it an email campaign, a social media post, or on your website, having this link ready to go is key. And there you have it, the complete guide to creating one-click subscribe links on Beehiiv. With these links, you'll make subscribing a breeze for your audience, fostering growth in your community.